Hi everyone, I wanted to share with you all the new shoes that I got. I'm super excited. They came out January 12th at 7 a.m. and my husband was able to get me some. I was just scrolling through their website to see what they had available and I saw these. They caught my eye, so let's take a look. These are the black and anthracite Dunk Low shoes. And when I was scrolling through the website, I saw these and I really liked the look of it. When you look at them at first glance, they look just plain black, which I really like the whole all black. As I was looking at the pictures, I was very surprised and I want to show you guys with the light on. So here's what they look like when you add light to them, or when you take pictures. It is reflective, it's super pretty, and I thought that was really neat. I do have another pair that just has like a tiny strip that is reflective, but this is like all over, and I thought that was so cool because I like going to raves and I think these would be perfect for pictures and stuff. So that is all for my new shoes. I'm so excited for them. I really do like them. Let me know what you guys think about the whole reflective part. I think that's awesome. And like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.